In this lecture, we will see details about blank workbook. For that purpose, I will open one blank workbook. This is first screen of your blank workbook. As you can see, this entire screen is occupied with one big grid. It has many columns as well as many rows. Every column and every row intersects to form one rectangle called as cell. So there are many such cells across the grid to form one sheet called as worksheet. And this worksheet has default name sheet 1. So how many columns are there in this worksheet and how to identify them? So every column has its header which is labeled by alphabet, like first column by A, second column by B, etc. Like this, Excel has in total 16,384 columns and last column has header by name XFD. Likewise, we have horizontal rows and every row is being numbered like 1, 2, 3, etc. Like this, Excel has in total 10,48,576 rows. So just imagine how big this sheet is, made up of so many columns and rows, and every intersection is forming one cell. When we click inside any cell, the cell border becomes dark, which indicates that this particular cell is active cell. Every active cell is defined by a particular address. For example, address of this particular active cell is its column name F and its row number 14. So address of this particular active cell is F14 and same get displayed here in name box. So whatever you type will get typed in this active cell now. So just imagine how many characters that you can type in this single cell. You can type 32,767 characters in one single cell. So your single worksheet has such a huge capacity to store data as you want. So how many such worksheets we can have in one workbook? You can see this plus sign. If you click on this plus sign, Excel will add one more worksheet in your workbook. By default, Excel provides name to all sheets like sheet 1, sheet 2, etc. But you can give any name as per your choice to any worksheet. And how many such new sheets we can add? Practically, there is no limit. You can add as many sheets as you want till your computer storage provides you the capacity to store your file size. So in this way, Excel provides you facility to store such a huge data in one single file. So from next lecture, we will see how to actually input data and make use of Excel.